Good evening, students. Please attend today's nerd test in your respective portal. The test starts at sharply 7 p.m. We can discuss the solution by sharply 7:30 p.m. Okay? So after attending the test, come here for nerd session at 7:30 p.m. So kindly attend today's nerd test in your respective portal by 7 p.m. Hello students, how was your test? Is it easy? Okay, let's discuss the solution for the test you have written one by one, okay? Okay, let's start with these questions, okay? So the first question is, if I sell a TV for rupees 3,100 and a cycle for rupees 1,300, I gain 10% on the original cost for both. But if I sell the TV rupees for 3,150 and the cycle for its original price, I lose 10% on the whole. Find the original cost of each respectively. Okay, let's divide this problem into step by step. As the first step here is, let's calculate the profit condition first. As they gave we gain 10% on the original cost of both, right? So let's calculate the profit condition, okay? So when the TV is sold for rupees 3,100 and the cycle for rupees 1,300, the gain on both is 10%. So that we can write 3,100 plus 1,300, which is equal to 10% both. The fixed percent is 1. Out of 1 will increase. If we have an increase, we'll multiply it by the given gain percentage. If we have loss, out of 1 will reduce that, right? So out of 1 into 10%. 10% can be written as 0.10, which is equal to 1.1 into x plus y. So what is the x plus y denotes here is original cost of the TV can be represented as x and the original cost of the cycle be y. Okay. So here x is TV and the y is cycle. Okay. So 3,100 plus 1,300, which is equal to 4,400, which is equal to 1.1 into x plus 5. When the 1.1 goes to the left side, 4,400 divided by 1.1, which is equal to x plus y. It can be written as x plus y equal to 4,000. This is our first step. So this first step, we are calculating the profit condition. Okay. So now in the second step. So here we'll calculate the loss condition. So what is the loss condition given here? If I sell the TV for rupees 3,150 plus and the cycle for its original price. We don't know, in the question they did not mention the original price of the cycle. So we kept the constant value for the original cost of cycle is y. Got it? So out of 1, the loss. So in the above profit condition, that is a profit. So we have added it by 0.1. It is lost, right? How many percent? 10%. So 1 minus 0.1 into x plus y. So 3,150 plus y equal to 0.9 into x plus y. 1 minus 1.0 minus 0.1, which is equal to 0.9. So we have two y values here. So after substituting the values, we'll get 3,150 plus y, which is equal to 3,600. When we solve y we equal to 3600 minus 3150, which is equal to 450. Okay. Now, what is the value of y? Original cost of the cycle, right? So we got the original cost of cycle value, which is equal to 450. Okay. Now we are supposed to calculate the original cost of TV also. So find the original cost of each, right? So we have find the original cost of cycle here. Now we are going to find the original cost of the TV. Got it? So this is the equation x plus y equal to 4000. In the initial profit condition they gave, right? So substitute y value here, x plus 450 equal to 4000. So x equal to 4000 minus 450. So x is equal to 3550. Got it? So here x is the original cost price for TV, which is equal to 3550. And then for y, the original cost price for cycle, which is equal to 450. So here the options which matches the option B, rupees 3550 and rupees 450. So this is our value. There is any doubt? If you have any doubt, please post in the comment section or you can unmute. I'll wait for a few seconds, okay? I think so it's clear. Students kindly respond. Is it clear? Okay, I think so it's clear. Let's move to the next problem. The next question. Kavin purchased a hotel worth rupees 10 lakhs. So what are the given? I'll write step by step. Then it will be easier to understand, okay? So Kavin purchased a hotel worth rupees 10 lakhs. So the cost of hotel, which is equal to 10 lakhs. And then what is the next given? And Ganesh purchased a car which is 6 lakhs more than the hotel. So the cost of car will be 6 lakhs more than the hotel. What is the hotel worth 10 lakh? So the cost of car is 16 lakhs. Got it? So the value of the hotel increases by 20% of the previous value every year. And the value of the car every year depreciates by 25%. So what is the difference between the price of hotel and car after 3 years? So let's calculate first hotel's value. Value after 3 years for hotel. Value after 3 years for hotel. Got it? So the value of hotel at the first year. So at the first year, see initial hotel worth is 10 lakhs. How much percent it increases? 20%. So 1 plus 0.2, which is equal to 10 lakh into 1.2, which is equal to 12 lakh. After 1 year, the price of hotel increases to 12 lakhs. Okay. So we have to calculate for 3 years. Now, one for first year we have calculated. Now for the second year. In that 12 lakh, it will be increasing 20% more, right? So how the 20% can be written 1.2. So 12 into 1.2 will be 14.4 lakhs. At the end of second year, the hotel worth will be 14.4 lakhs. So in the third year, 14.4 into 1.2, which is equal to 17.28 lakhs. So at the end of third year, the hotel worth, which is increases to 17.28 lakhs. Okay. Okay. So we have calculated the hotel's value. Now we are going to calculate the car's worth. Okay. At the first year. So the value of car every year depreciates by 20%, 25%. Depreciate means that is it decreases by 25%. So at the initial, the value of car is 16 lakh into if it depreciates, that is decreases 1 minus 0.25, 0.25 for 25%. So 16 into 0.75, which is equal to 12 lakhs. So at the end of first year, the car value decreases to 12 lakh. At the second year, 12 lakh into 0.75, which is equal to 9 lakhs. Then for third year, which is equal to 9 into 0.75, which is equal to 6.75 lakhs. At the end of third year, the value of car becomes 6.75 lakhs. Okay. Okay. We have got two values. So what we are supposed to find, what is the difference between the price of hotel and car after 3 years? So difference. Price of hotel, which is 17.28 lakhs minus car 6 point, sorry, 6.75 lakhs, which is equals to 10.53 lakhs. So this is our final answer. Okay. So the difference between the price of hotel and car after 3 years is 10 lakh 53,000. Students got it? Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, please post in the comment section. If you want me to repeat the same problem, I'll repeat it once. Kindly respond. Is it clear? Okay. I'll move to the next problem. How many four-digit number can be formed without repetition from the digits 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Okay, as the first step. To form a four-digit number without repetition from the digits 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we have a total of 6 unit digits. Okay, okay, let's discuss now step-by-step solution. When I choose the first digit, I have 6 options for the first digit, right? At one go, when I start, wait, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, for choosing a single or a first digit, I have 6 options. So it can be written as 6 into. Then at the second step, when I want to choose the second digit, after selecting, I'll select one digit, okay? What are the other options for selecting the second digit? I have 5 more options, right? So which can be written as 5. Got it right? Then as the third step, for choosing the third digit, I have four more remaining digits. Correct? At the first time out of 6, I have 6 options to select. After selecting one option, I have remaining 5 options to select. After selecting 2 out of 6, I have remaining 4 options to select. Okay. 5 into 4. After selecting 3 digits, I have 3 more options to select because it is without repetitions, right? That's why. So I'll stop here. Why I'll stop here? Because how many 4 digit number can be formed, right? I have chosen 4 already without repetitions. So the total number of 4 digit number can be formed is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, which is equal to 6 threes are 30 into 12, which is equals to 360. So I have 360 more ways can be formed without repetition from the digits 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the option 3 is correct. Guys, is it confusing? If you want, I'll explain it one more. The given digits are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally we have 6 unique digits. That is, there is no one value which is repeating more than once, right? So when I want to choose the first digit, I have 6 options to select from that. So that the first way is 6. After selecting one digit, that it can be any digit, 4 or 5. It is not about a particular number. It is about the ways. How many possible ways we have to select the number? Okay. So 6. After selecting a number, we will have remaining 5 numbers. So I'm writing it as 5. After selecting 2 out of 6, I'll have 4. After selecting 3 out of 6, remaining I'll have 3. Why I'm stopping here and not choosing 2 and 1 also? Because I want 4 digit number, right? That's why 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. That's why when I multiply all these values, I'll get the value as 360. This is my final answer. Okay? Do you have any doubt in this problem? If you have, please post in comment section or you can unmute. I'm ready to explain. I'll wait for a few seconds. If you have any doubts, please post in the comment section. I'll answer. Okay, I think so. Everything is clear. I'll move to the next problem. Even this is also a very simple problem. A man and his wife appear for an interview for 2 vacancies in the same post. The probability of husband selection is 1 by 7 and the probability of wife selection is 1 by 5. What is the assurance that both of them is selected? So from the given data, what I can write to find the probability that both the husband and wife are being selected. How I can write the probability? Just a simple one line answer. If I multiply the probabilities of each of them being selected, assuming them their selections are independent events. So what is the probability of husband being selected? Which is 1 by 7. Multiplying by what is the probability of wife being selected? 1 by 5, which is equals to 1 by 35. This is the answer, guys. This is very, very, very simple. Okay. Just we are assuming both the events are independent events. And then we are just multiplying it. That's it. Okay. Okay. I'll move to the next problem. So 2 cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. So 52 is the total number of cards present. What is the probability that either both are black or both are jack? Okay, let's solve this step by step. Okay, total possible outcomes. So first I'll calculate the total possible outcomes and then for probability of black and then probability of jack and then we'll calculate. Okay. So what is the total possible outcome? The total number of ways to draw 2 cards from 52 cards, right? Because 2 cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. So we can write it as 52C2, which can be written as 52 into 51 divided by 2 into 1, which can be written one time, 26 times 26 into 51, which is equals to 1226. Okay, this is the total possible outcome. Next, at the step 2, what we are going to calculate is probability of both cards being black. Okay, okay. There are 26 black cards in a deck, correct? In 52, 26 black cards are there in a deck. Okay. The number of ways to draw two black cards from these 26s, because we are assuming what is the probability that either both are black or both are jack. So 26 out of 22, out of 26, I'll choose both as black. So which can be written as 26C2. 26 into 25 divided by 2 into 1. 1 time, 13 times. 13 into 25 equals to 325 times. Got it? This is the probability of both are being black. Okay. At the third step, probability of both are being jack. So there are 4 jack in the deck. That is, out of 52 cards, there are 4 black jack. Okay. The number of ways to draw 2 jacks from these 4 is 4 by 4C2. 4C2, which is equal to 4 into 3 by 2 into 1, which is equal to 12 by 6, which is equal to 6. So we have an intersection in between. We can't directly get the answer from this. There is one more step, intersection of both the events. Why this comes is, wait, why this comes is, there are 2 black color jacks in a deck, correct? So the number of ways to draw 2 black jacks from these 2 is 2C2, which can be written as 2 into 1 by 2 into 1, which is equals to 1. Got it? So in a deck which contains of 52 cards, okay, in that 26 are black, 26 are red. In those overall 52, there are 4 jack, and there will be 4 king, 4 queen, like that now. So that there are 4 jack. Okay. In that 4, there are 2 black color jack is available in the deck. So that can be written as 2C2. These are the intersection for both black and for both jack. So how the number of favorable outcomes can be written? The total. I mean, both are black is 325 plus both are jack is 6 minus 1. Why I gave minus 1? Because it is the common for the both, right? That's why. 325 plus 6 minus 1, which is equal to 330. Okay, these are the number of favorable outcomes. Then now we are supposed to calculate the probability. The probability that either both cards are black or both are jackers. Favorable outcomes is 330. The total outcome is 1226, which is equals to 55 divided by 221. So this is my final answer. 55 by 221. Got it? This is very much simple. Okay. First we'll calculate the total possible outcomes. Out of 52, we are going to select only 2 cards at random. That's why I gave 52C2. 52 into 51 by 2 into 1. So I'll get the value as 1326. At the step 2, probability of both cards being black. So out of 52, there are 22 black color cards. That's why I gave 26C2. 26 into 25 by 2 into 1. When I calculate this, I'll get the value as 325. And then I'll calculate the probability of both cards being jack, 4C2, which is equal to 4 into 3 by 2 into 1, which is equal to 6. Okay. Now why this intersection part appears? Because there are two black color jack is present. Okay, that's why I gave 2C2. Why I gave 2C2? There are two color jacks. Out of that, we are going to calculate two cards. So 2C2, which is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 into 1, which is 1. So now I'll calculate the number of favorable outcomes. That is the step number 5. Where is it? This is the step number 5. 325, that is both are black, plus 3 plus 6, both are jack, minus 1. That is common for both. That's why I gave minus, which is equal to 320. When I want to calculate the probability that either both are black or both are jack, I'll calculate as 330 by 1326. Number of favorable by total possible outcomes, which is equal to 55 by 221. That's why. Okay. Guys, do you have any doubt? Why no one is responding? Is it hard to understand? If you don't tell your queries, how do I know? Guys, is it clear? Or do you want me to explain one more? Okay, I'll move to the next problem. After this, we'll wind up this session. Okay. Assume two trains are running in opposite direction with equal speed. If the length of both trains are equal to 486 meters and they cross each other in the time span of 27 seconds, what is the speed of each train? Okay. The given data are length of each train is 486 meters. This is length. And the second is time taken to cross each other, 27 seconds. This is the time taken. And then speed of each train, that is we are supposed to calculate in meter per second. Okay. To calculate the combined distance discovered. So when two trains cross each other, the total distance covered is the sum of their lengths. Since both trains are 486 meters long, right? So the distance is 486 plus 486, which is equal to 972 meters. This is the total distance covered. Okay. And the next step, we are supposed to calculate the relative speed. How the speed can be calculated? Distance by time. What is the distance we are calculated? 972 divided by, and the time is given as 27 seconds, which is equal to 36 meter per second. Okay. And the next step. Now we are supposed to calculate the speed for each train. Okay. So since the train are moving in opposite direction with equal speeds, their relative speed is twice the speed of each train. So twice the speed of each train, which is equal, where v is equal to 36 divided by 2. Here the 2 comes down, okay, which is equal to 18 meter per second. So the distance of each train, which is equal to 18 meter per second. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, guys, it's time. You can leave the session. Thank you.